There are two types of computers your Elo screen can have. The first slides into the back of the screen on the left-hand side. The second looks like a little black box like this. If your computer looks like this, first we'll want to unplug everything for your safety. Next, go to the back left of the screen. We'll loosen these two thumb screws. We'll put our finger through the loop. We'll slide it out about 2 inches, wait about 10 seconds, push it back in, plug everything back in, and see if your screen has touch. If your computer looks like this, and your screen isn't responding to touch, we'll want to confirm that the USB cable is connected to both the computer and the screen. If your computer looks like this, you'll have 3 cables coming out of the back. One for power, HDMI for video, and USB for touch. Confirm your USB is plugged in. Once you've confirmed the USB is connected to the computer, take the other end and plug it into the back of the screen behind the Elo logo. And if you're still having issues after these steps, please contact support.